everyone, this is Circuit Breaker Day 29. Let's stay kind and practice meditation. So today's intention, stay kind, is very close to my heart and I've saved it to almost the last. So one of my biggest life lessons, if you will ask me, is learning to be kind, especially to myself. And that is my biggest aspiration when I set up Shan Living, naming after kindness. It is my hope to help anyone who's going through emotional difficulties to learn to self-care, self-heal, self-love, and be kind, especially towards your own inner child. So in today's video, I'm going to show you another sitting posture. You will need a cushion and a yoga mat if you can find one, but if you can find a pillow, that's fine as well. And I will also guide you through a loving kindness meditation. So get your mind and heart ready and join me. So you and I and everyone else in this universe have something in common. That is, we were all once a baby and a little child who is so simple, kind, and happy. And meditation is all about traveling inwards to find that inner child within us again, to take good care of it, to love it wholesomely, to nourish it with a lot of kindness. So today, to begin the exercise, we are going to do a child pose. So for those of you who have been to yoga, you should be quite familiar with this posture. So we are going to sit on the heels and we are going to curl up on the floor, just like a little fetus or a little baby. So if you want, you can even travel back in time. I know most of us probably cannot remember how we look like as a baby. I wish at my time there is this camera and Facebook and my parents are able to document, the minute I'm born. Anyway, it's all embedded in our heart. So as you're doing this posture, travel back in time to visualize yourself as a little baby that's so kind, so simple, so pure, and just so blissful. And today we're going to make use of a cushion. So if you don't have a cushion like this, but a pillow, that will work as well. And we're going to just insert it and sit on the cushion this way. So our heels, the cushion. So it should be much more comfortable than just sitting on your heel directly when we insert the pillow or cushion. But of course, without the pillow or cushion, when we curl up on the floor, I'm going to show you here in child pose, you will actually feel more stretches on the spine, okay? But in this case, after we have inserted this cushion and we do this child pose, you will feel actually less stretches, but you can actually go much more, but you can actually extend further out. And I just wanted that sensation of comfort. If you are doing this child pose for stretches to lengthen your spine, then by all means you can remove this cushion, okay? So, but this is an exercise to travel back in time to our inner child. So I wanted to have that loving feeling and that gentleness in our body. So if you're ready, just take a deep breath in. Make sure your belly is expanding and rising. And then you can raise up your hand, and as you exhale, just slowly touch the ground. Good. And so we're going to do 3 different postures for the hand. So the first time we are going to stretch our hand forward, and for the second time I'd like you to grab both your elbow this way, and we're going to curl up this way, palms touching opposite elbows, and really rest there. And finally, the third posture, we're going to move our hands, we're going to send our hands backwards and actually touch the soles. Okay, you can grab it this way. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate to you. Okay, so if you're ready, let's do this. So if you're ready, we're going to do this 3 postures, 3 sets, and make sure you use your breath to help you reconnect with your inner child again. Okay, So take a deep breath in through the belly. Feel your belly rising, rising, rising like a pink or blue balloon. Raise your hand up into the sky and let it fall as you exhale. So we're going to rest here for one set of breaths, 4 counts. So take a deep breath in, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Good. And now we're going to hug the elbows. Take a deep breath in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. And just take a moment here to allow your mind to settle down in this child pose. Feel the loving kindness that you are showering yourself. Embrace your inner child. Remember, this inner child needs your love. Good. And now we're going to move our hands, send them backwards, touching the soles of our feet. You can grab the soles to hold you together. And let's begin. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. So just take it easy. Have a rest, like a little baby. Allow this child pose to connect you with your inner child once again. The inner child that's in your heart. If you are quiet and still enough, you'll be able to hear the inner voice. Good, and now take a deep breath in and exhale. Good, and now as we breathe in, we are going to rise up. Ready? Take a deep breath in, 2, 3, 4. Raise your hand up, 2, 3, 4. Like a sun salutation, just bend slightly backwards. Open up your hands and let's do an Anjali. Put the palms together and bow to your inner child, recognizing its presence again. Great. So child pose is actually quite a useful posture whenever you feel very tired. Just return to this posture, return to your inner child, your babiness in you, and you'll be able to rest and take a 5 minutes break to allow yourself to rest and to just feel the inner peace and serenity within you. So I mentioned earlier in the video that I'm going to show you a new sitting posture, and this is exactly what we have just done. So instead of crossing our leg for the sit meditation, we are going to sit on our heels instead, and that is the Burmese way of sit meditation as well, or in Japan, the Seiza sitting posture. So you can kneel on the yoga mat first, and then insert the cushion beneath. Okay, so just insert the cushion beneath. Just experiment with different cushion. If you want something thinner or fluffier or harder, just go and find the different cushions and pillows in your house and have fun with it, okay? Until you find your favorite cushion or pillow for your sit meditation, and especially for loving kindness. So today's meditation, we are going to sit in this posture, and I would like you to open your palms, put the right on your heart and then layer it with the left palm. And just gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And breathe out gently through the nose as well, as gentle as you can. Just allow the air to flow in and out of you with loving kindness, going with the flow, no resistance, no stress, no frustrations, no rushing, no impatience. Just take it easy with your breathing. Use the rhythm of your breathing to slowly calm your mind down. And now I'd like you to focus on the word kindness. Focus your mind on kindness. As you breathe in, whisper in your heart, kindness. As you breathe out, whisper in your heart, kindness. And now repeat after me, I am kind. Take a deep breath in and just gently exhale through the nose. Now repeat after me, I am kindness. Good. Now take another deep breath in, long and sweet. And gently breathe out like a little baby. I choose to be kind. Good. And now take one more deep breath in, long, deep and sweet. And then breathe out all your lovingness, your kindness, and send it to your inner child. Good. Now place both palms together in Anjali, sending your love, your kindness to this inner child, to the people who love and care for you, and to this universe, wishing, sending your kindness, love, and best wishes to bless this universe, that we will all make it through this experience and rise up with newfound strength and newfound kindness in the community, in humanity. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, I love it. I hope you enjoy too. You know, every time we are rushing here and there and going through all the daily grinds, it's really easy to forget to be kind, especially to ourselves. So whenever you're feeling a bit out of balance in your life, just watch this video again and come back to your inner child. So take good care, my friend, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow, which is the grand finale of the series. I can't believe I made it to the 30th day. But thank you so much for watching, for all your comments and feedback. It has given me new inspiration for the next series. So I hope you continue to sit with me, and I'll see you soon.